Dennis, what are the growth prospects for STI for the future?
Well, the opportunities for us are pretty huge. The ability to do both acquisitions, bid-ins, which is kind of bidding in on market share, and conversions are good. One of the new things that's kind of coming up, though, in the industry, where some of the budget pressures are happening, is some cutbacks in some particular school districts and markets for school districts providing transportation to, say, magnet schools, which are some of the most advanced student schools. And those, because they're kind of elected schools, parents get to choose to send their kids there. The school districts kind of feel that they can cut back on some of that transportation. Well, in fact, what's happened is this has created another opportunity for us. And so from our A, B, and C, we can now add D, which is our direct with parents. So we've actually started something that we call schoolwheels.com, and we're able to sign up parents online. We're providing transportation for parent pay, where the parents can actually pay us for the service that we provide. It's about $6 a day, so for the cost of a latte, you can send your kid to school safely on a school bus with a certified driver and a well-inspected bus, versus a cab or in carpooling. So the D part, the direct parent pay, is starting to really take hold now. It's not something that's long-term contracted business like we normally have, which represents about 80% of our revenues, but it's a nice supplement. And quite frankly, it's at a higher margin business than the contracted business.
Well, you mentioned ABCD. Seems you got an E now.
Well, there is an e-commerce side of this business which has started. We've gone to stacharters.com. We've added things for field trips and athletic works, and for Boy Scouts and clubs and even weddings. We do a lot of weddings, believe it or not. Young kids today are deciding they want to take all of their classmates and go in a school bus and use it as the wedding party vehicle on Saturday. So we're doing things like that on the web. We're creating an e-commerce kind of a site. So it's, again, pretty exciting. Not your yellow school bus business that my dad had, but a little bit more up with the times today on the technology side.
What are your projections for growth in this fiscal year and the years to come?
For this fiscal year, we've already booked about 11 to 12% annual growth year over year. Some of that came from some acquisition growth that we had last year late in Q3 and Q4, and some of it is with some new acquisitions that we've already acquired and new contracts that we've won. So we've pretty much already in the book and have already announced a 12% year-over-year growth. We're probably going to continue to hit in the 15 to 18% year-over-year growth. And again, from us, for kind of looking out for the next few years, we model about 15% a year.
Well, that's very exciting, Dennis. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.